In this video, I will be explaining how to use Placeholder X, which is used in ICD-10-CM coding. It is fairly simple once you get the hang of it, so don't stress, I've got you. Placeholder X, ICD-10-CM. In some cases, an ICD-10-CM code requires the use of a 7th character extension to identify the episode of care. But that code is not yet extended to 6 characters. This means that the code must be extended to 6 characters so that the 7th character may be added. In this case, it is necessary to insert what is called a placeholder, which is represented by the letter X, as the 6th character in order to add the 7th character. Placeholder X is used to extend a code to the required number of characters so that a 7th character extension may be placed. As you can see on the left, this is the structure of an ICD-10-CM code, and the extension only applies to the 7th character. So if you don't have characters 4, 5, and 6, you can't add the extension. The codes on the right-hand side of the screen are examples of what I mean. In order to place that extension or that episode of care indicator in that 7th character spot, you have to add these placeholders if a code is not available. Example, S02.91, unspecified fracture of skull. On the right-hand side of the screen at the very top is what you would see in the tabular of the ICD-10-CM codebook. S02 is the category, fracture of skull and facial bones, and underneath that you will see a box that lists the 7th characters that need to be added to codes in category S02. So we have A, B, D, G, K, and S. I would go ahead and search through the tabular until I found S02.9, and then I would indent below that and find the S02.91, which is unspecified fracture of skull. And because it has to have a 7th character, I would then place an X for a placeholder since there's not a number available to fill that 6th spot. So I would put an X and then I would assign the appropriate 7th character from the box located under the category. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions over placeholder, please let me know.